Futures on the US stock indexes are trading lower amid fears about the economic recovery. The US dollar is advancing across the board, including the Canadian dollar. Meanwhile, Bitcoin sank nearly 15%. The benchmark stock indexes are losing ground today as investors are stoking fears about the recovery prospects of the largest global economy. The Dow Jones lost 0.81%, the Nasdaq dropped 0.38% and the S&P 500 shed 0.51%. It seems that the stock market is opening a new trading week, a correctional decline following record highs of the last week. Traders are worried about a limping recovery of the US economy. The nonfarm payrolls released on Friday showed that the US labor market was at a standstill in December, following 7 months of robust employment growth. This is a precursor of headwinds in the US economy in the short term. Apart from these small non-farm payrolls, market optimism is dampened by political jitters in the United States. Last weekend, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi stated that on Monday, the House of Representatives would move forward on Monday with a resolution calling on Vice President Mike Pence to invoke the 25th Amendment to the Constitution. He is requested to use his power under the Constitution to force Mr. Trump out by declaring him unable to fulfill his duties. Today, the US dollar is asserting strength against the major currencies. The euro fell versus the greenback to the lowest level since December 25th. The US dollar benefits from rising yields of the US treasuries and waning demand for risky assets. The US dollar index gaining 0.61% against a basket of 6 major rivals, trading at 90.59. The USD CAD pair climbed 0.82% to trade at 1.2805. Today, Bitcoin slumped more than 14%. At the moment of preparing material for this video, the number one cryptocurrency dropped below $35,000 per token. Now it's trading at $33,048. On Friday, Bitcoin set an all-time record, having spiked to the mark of $41,057. A downward correction followed afterwards. On Monday morning, the most popular cryptocurrency declined below $37,000. Such a sharp fall comes as a no surprise after the stunning rally. Apparently, Bitcoin is set to make a smooth downward correction this trading week. Experts say Bitcoin could trade as low as $34,800 tonight. This week, investors are alert to a keynote speech of the President-elect Joe Biden, who is expected to unveil his economic program. He highlighted that massive investment is required to overcome the fallout of the COVID-19 crisis. Besides, he pledged that his stimulus package would amount of trillions of dollars. That's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.